Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 1.12 in our historical investigations unit. So we're going to, it should be writing your reflection part 2, not your OPCVL. So my apologies, that should be reflection. So got a little goof there. By the end of today's lesson, you should have completed your reflection of the HI at this point. Some quick reminders for you. By now you should have the reflection completed, hopefully, because it's only 400 words. So you should have been able to do that last class, because 400 words, you could write that in 10 minutes. So this part should be done already. At this point, you would have the reflection already done. You're just at this point ready to edit, because you should be able to write 400 word reflection in one class period. So you should be using this day to make sure that you have properly edited your reflection. So you should have gotten feedback from me by this point. If not, make sure you get it from me ASAP so I can get you some feedback, and then you can start working and finishing out your reflection part of your HI. So what do you need to be doing? Have your completed reflection ready to go by the end of this lesson. Once you do so, you're going to be finished with the HI. So this should be a motivation to get it done and just get it off your plate. You should have the entire reflection complete for part C of the HI. And once you've completed this part, make sure that you have written the reflection and focused on the methods, not on the process. So again, go making sure that methods is where you went, not process. And there you have it, writing your HI essay part 2. And this should actually be the reflection. Again, see another mistake there. So you should be writing your reflection part 2. Do you have a completed part C done? If you do, pat yourself on the back. You're amazing and you are finished with the HI. If not, make sure you get that done so we can crank that out here. Complete any activities for lesson 1.2. You cannot move forward until your teacher has approved your reflection submission. So please make sure that you have submitted your reflection for me to approve. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.